Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Fundamental Studies, a channel which clears your basic concepts. So friends, in continuing with the topic scalp, today we limit our discussion to the lymphatic drainage of the scalp. So let's begin. Basically, the lymphatic drainage of the scalp is divided into two groups. One group is that group of lymph nodes that would drain the lymph or which would take the lymph from the anterior part of the scalp, and another group is that group of lymph nodes that would take the lymph from the posterior part of the scalp. So before proceeding, first of all I would like to explain you this diagram and would focus your attention on this diagram. Okay, so first of all, this which you can see is the ear auricle. You can see two sets of lymph nodes, one group in front of the ear auricle and another group of lymph nodes behind the ear auricle. So the group of lymph nodes that is in front of the ear auricle, that is the one drawn with green, are pre-auricular. Pre means in front and auricular means auricle, right? So the group of lymph nodes situated in front of the ear auricle or simply auricle are the ones which are termed as pre-auricular lymph nodes. While you can see another group of lymph nodes drawn with blue, these are basically posterior auricular. Posterior means behind and auricular means auricle. So the group of lymph nodes situated behind the auricle are the posterior auricular group of lymph nodes. And the structure which is drawn with red is basically your parotid gland. So this one's your parotid. Okay. So now let's begin. If this is your scalp, and just for understanding purposes, let's just divide it into the anterior part and the posterior part. So this anterior part of the scalp would drain into the anterior group of lymph nodes. That is, the lymph from the anterior part of the scalp would drain into the anterior group of the lymph nodes or pre-auricular group of lymph nodes. Also you can term it as parotid group of lymph nodes, which are situated on the surface of the parotid. On the surface of parotid. What I mean to say is that, suppose if this is your parotid gland, so these parotid group of lymph nodes or the pre-auricular lymph nodes would be situated on the surface of the parotid, not inside the parotid, on the surface of the parotid. Okay. So this was about the anterior part. Talking about the posterior part of the scalp. The posterior part of the scalp would drain into the posterior auricular group of lymph nodes. As the name indicates, these are situated behind the auricle, or you can also term them as mastoid group of lymph nodes, because you have your mastoid process behind. Okay. Then you can first group of lymph nodes is posterior auricular, and another group of lymph nodes is the occipital lymph nodes. Since we know that occiput or occipital is that part which is situated just behind, which is basically the behind part or the back part of your scalp. Okay. So posterior part of the scalp would drain into the posterior auricular group of lymph nodes, or you can also term them as mastoid group of lymph nodes, and second group being that of occipital lymph nodes. So the anterior part would drain only into the pre-auricular or parotid group of lymph nodes, one type of lymph nodes, while the posterior part of the scalp would drain into two groups, one the posterior auricular and another the occipital lymph nodes. So this was all about the lymphatic drainage of the scalp. In the next video, we'll head our discussion forward to discussing about the nerve supply of the scalp. So friends, if you liked my video, so please do hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel till yet, so do subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you.